Welcome to Sequential Mastery. In this video, we will be discussing 10 superfoods that can naturally lower cholesterol levels. So let's get started. Number 1 on the list is oats. Consuming oats can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels due to their high soluble fiber content. Next up, we have almonds. Almonds are packed with monounsaturated fats and fiber, which are known to improve cholesterol levels. Moving on, we have olive oil. This healthy oil contains antioxidants that can lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 4 on our list is blueberries. The antioxidants present in blueberries can help prevent oxidation of LDL cholesterol, protecting your heart. Now, let's talk about fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce LDL cholesterol and lower blood pressure. Next, we have garlic. Consuming garlic regularly can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce plaque buildup in the arteries. Number 7 on the list is avocados. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols, all of which can help improve cholesterol levels. Moving forward, we have soy products, like tofu and soy milk. Soy contains isoflavones that can lower LDL cholesterol, improving heart health. Number 9 is dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can increase HDL cholesterol levels and reduce LDL cholesterol oxidation. Finally, we have green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which can lower LDL cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. And that concludes our list of 10 superfoods to naturally lower cholesterol levels. Incorporating these healthy foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall heart health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.